The Auditor General Lee Trotman has reported a number of glaring anomalies in the public sector. These include inconsistencies within government's central revenue collecting agency, the Barbados Revenue Authority. According to him, among them was the income tax receivables reported as $433,338,000 as of the 31st of March 2022, when in fact that amount excluded interest and penalties for 3 years, 2018, 2019, and 2020. The BRA's response was that there were a number of extensions to filing deadlines in the past, on instruction from the Ministry of Finance, and these resulted in numerous changes to the on and off status of the penalties and interest function within TAMIS. The report also revealed that the tax refunds due to taxpayers were reported as $516.27 million as of the 31st of March 2022, but in trying to verify the tax refunds payable, more discrepancies were found, such as taxpayer accounts not being updated to reflect funds issued, to in excess of 16,000 checks totaling $47,405,337 recorded as stale dated or voided. 2 special audits were also conducted. One of them examined the procurement of certain information technology services by the Office of the Ombudsman. The objective was to determine whether the service were procured in accordance with the Financial Management and Audit Financial Rules 2011, and whether value for money was achieved for these expenditures. The report observed a number of issues during the review regarding the digitization project. In fact, it questioned whether or not the services or training were provided, despite monthly payments being made. It noted that the former ombudsman indicated the relevant documents relating to the services would be provided by September 19, 2022. However, they were never sent. The Auditor General concluded on this matter that generally matters pertaining to the management of the digitization project were unsatisfactory and would indicate a waste of resources and a high possibility of fraud being perpetuated. He added that because there is also a government digitization project occurring, which would include the Office of the Ombudsman, there is no need for a separate project. The other special audit was of the procurement practices of the National Conservation Commission. It revealed that a supervisor contracted his own company to provide services for the NCC, in what the Auditor General described as a clear conflict of interest, while adding that there was an absence of a competitive selection process. He therefore recommended that the NCC establish procurement policies to govern its operations, given that its organization engages a host of suppliers and has an annual budget which exceeds $25 million. These are but a few of the primary issues raised in the latest Auditor General's report.